Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install 2FA with Binance.us for safer withdrawals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Binance.us website. Log into your account using your registered email address and password. Once you are logged in, locate and click on the profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Security. Next, find the option for Two-Factor Authentication. You will see two options, Google Authenticator and SMS Authentication. For this guide, we will use Google Authenticator. Click on Enable under Google Authenticator. A QR code will appear on your screen. Download the Google Authenticator app from your device's App Store if you haven't done so already. Open the Google Authenticator app on your device. Tap the plus sign in the app to add a new account. Choose the option to scan a QR code. Point your camera at the QR code displayed on your. Once the code is scanned, the app will generate a 6-digit authentication code. Next, return to the Binance.us site and enter the 6-digit code from the app in the provided field. Click on Submit to save your settings. You may receive a confirmation email regarding the changes. Check your email and follow any necessary steps to confirm the activation of two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, your account is now secured with 2FA. For additional security, consider taking a note of the backup codes provided during the setup. Keep these codes in a safe place, as they can help you regain access if you lose your device. Your withdrawals are now safer with two-factor authentication enabled on Binance.us. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.